Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by installing Anaconda and launching the tools you need. First, run the installer and accept defaults so environments work predictably. Once done, open Anaconda Navigator, or, if you prefer command line control, launch Anaconda prompt. Make sure to confirm Python 3. X is selected, and that conda responds to conda version. Now you have the runtime and package manager ready. Proceed to create an environment next, because that isolates dependencies and keeps projects reproducible. You will now create and prepare an environment for your notebooks. Run conda create n-myenv python equals 3, 10 to lock the interpreter. This prevents version conflicts. Once activated with conda, activate myenv, install Jupyter Lab or Notebook so you can run sessions. Install packages like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and ipykernel so code executes without missing imports. Then register the kernel. Python m ipykernel install username myenv display name python myen. You will finish by launching Jupyter and managing kernels during work. Start Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook from the activated environment and open your ipinv file, then choose the Python myenv kernel to ensure packages match. Make sure to save often and use checkpoints before major changes. If the kernel dies or packages import errors appear, check that you activated the correct conda env, inspect pip versus conda conflicts, and reinstall ipykernel. That usually restores a stable kernel quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.